Hey everybody, I would like to do a DIY log of this glass shelf installation here. As you can see, it looks pretty nice. Alright, so the first thing that I would do is I need the leveler, and make sure you want it to horizontally, make sure that it's lined up horizontally. Right, so you pick your 2 points to anchor your support. Ideally, you want the support to go over a wood joist in here, a wood beam, because that provides the best support, better than using, say, this drywall anchor here. This is a pretty good drywall anchor, but it still would not compare to the anchor provided by the wood support. That is a much stronger anchor. All right, so in my case here, unfortunately, I did not have wood in this location or in this location, so I ended up using drywall anchor. And this is a pretty good brand. It can hold 75 pound worth per screw. So this is a pretty good anchor I use here, Easy Anchor drywall anchor. All right, so make sure you mark your holes and make sure they're horizontally level using the leveler. All right, so once you're done with that, and if it's wood, then what you want to do is drill a pilot hole, which usually is slightly smaller than your screw size, directly into the wood. In my case, this is not going through the wood, it's just going through drywall. So I did not need to drill a pilot hole. Right, so once you have your anchor in place, then next is to put these support brackets in, right? And it's pretty easy. These support brackets, you just put them up against the hole and screw them in. That's pretty much it, right? The other thing I want to point out is the shelf I have, glass shelf. The dimension is 6 by 18, 6 inch by 18 inches, right? And the thing is, when you put this glass in, it tends to tilt toward the front. So what I did was I added a piece of sticker here. It's got some thickness to it. Let me see if I can take this off and you can see it from above here. Yeah, you see that blue sticker right there? It's got some thickness to it, and that helps to level the glass so it doesn't tilt at the front as much. Actually, when I put it in, it looks really nice. If you don't have that, if you don't put some kind of additional shim right here, like this blue sticker with a thickness to it, then the tilt is noticeable. That's what I found. So yep, I recommend, if you have some kind of sticker, some kind of shim with a thickness to it, slight thickness to it, put it at the end of the support, and that will allow the glass to be more, there will be less tilt with the glass. It'll be more uniformly across, and it'll look better, more professional. So there you go. That's essentially the glass shelf installation, and I highly recommend putting these shelves in your bathroom. They look really very beautiful, look professional. It blends in with my glass shower door. Yeah, it's a great addition to have in your bathroom. All right. By the way, so to help me locate the joist in the wall, I use this tool here. This one, it senses nails, and if it detects nails using a magnet, then that means that there's a joist right there, most likely. Okay, so this one, and then I didn't have this tool when I installed these shelves. This one, I believe it can detect wood behind the drywall, even if there's no nail present. So this one is also, I think, a good tool to have. See, lights up, telling you that there's wood. It should be, yeah, there's wood right there, and then it lights up. It doesn't need, I don't think it works on magnetic. So if there's no wood there, then it should not light up. So those are the two stud finder tool that I recommend. Stud joist. Okay, alrighty.